Yes, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Add the hat. Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another wig that's brought to us from Sam's Beauty. It is from Outre and the name is Sonya. I have this in DR4 Golden Honey Melt. So this one here is a crimp wave. It is a middle part, you guys. I know I've reviewed so many of these on the channel, but yeah, we're gonna keep going. So the lace on this is HD. This one here, I'm gonna tell you, the wig itself, the hair is really nice. I did not like the construction of the cap as much. I felt like, one, I should have probably tinted the lace, which I didn't have a lot of lace on there, but I felt like I probably should have just sprayed the little bit that I did have. Second thing is the parting area did come pretty close. Yeah, that one just is what it was. And then the next thing was the tracks at the top. They sat too close and they kind of made it look cone-ish, or made me feel like I had a cone head. I just didn't like that part about it. Otherwise, the hair itself is really, really, really pretty, and I think it has a lot of potential. After I laid the hairs down in the front, which you guys know I'm not good at that. Don't come for me, sis. Don't come for me. You know, and sprayed it. It did look good, and you can get a nice look out of it. All in all, it fits pretty good. The construction, like I said, is what really got me. It wasn't that it was too tight. It's just that it just didn't fit right in the top. I felt like the tracks gave me a cone here. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section below. But stay tuned. I do have pros. I do have cons. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the final look for this wig, and she is really, really pretty. So you guys know already that these crimp or deep wave, whatever wigs, have just been out for a while. Everybody's making them in every style they can as far as the lace is concerned. Yeah, but some of them are better than others. This one here, I will say that although it's not yucky, it does feel like it has a little something in it. So let's go ahead and go through it real quick. This one here is Sonya, and I have her in DR4 Golden Honey Melt. That's a mouthful. At any rate, that's the color I have her in. The DR4 is obviously going to be to the root, and then the honey melt, I'm guessing, is going to be these colors throughout. But then at the end, it does get to be a little bit lighter. Not too light, but it's almost hitting that 613 color at the bottom. So the waves that came in this, as you guys saw, was nice and deep. When you start running your hands through them, obviously they're going to start coming out, and it's just going to get to be big hair, or at least bigger than what it was in the packaging. This side, as you can see, is still nice and kind of formed in that deep crimp. This one here kind of came out a little bit, probably because I pushed the hair back some. So cap construction on this, it does fit really, really good. It's not too tight or anything like that on me. The only problem, the con I have with this, is where they put the tracks at. Like when you feel in here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but when you feel in here, you feel the tracks right away. It would have been nice for them to start the track now and maybe give the parting area a little bit more, or to have it a little bit more open. I did go in and pluck the front of it, as you guys can see. So I did go in and do that. And y'all know always how I am with these middle parts. Like, I'm really not a middle part girl. I'm a left side part girl. But I feel like I never get these things symmetrical. I just never get them symmetrical. But we gonna move on. It's a throw and go. It's something for an occasion. It's not, to me, something that's every day. It's just for an occasion. Maybe unless you got it in a different color. You can wear it every day, but yeah, I just feel like it's an occasion wig. You throw it on, you going out or something like that. And yeah, you get a little look with it. It's cute. I bet that this is really pretty in one of the really, really natural colors, as far as like a darker color, because you're going to get like all these waves. Now, I wish sometimes that the waves would start up top and not be flat here and then start. It'd be nice if that wave pattern just kind of went throughout, but that's a preference. Maybe, you know, it's not necessary. So let me go ahead and turn around in case I haven't gave you guys a 360 of this one. There we go. It's like I said, I've been getting shedding, and I'm not sure why I'm getting that, but I have been getting like strands here or there, and we all know like 613s, blonde wigs, they always shed. So that's that. I'm going to throw a little hat on with this wig. So this is the wig with a hat, and I think that she looks good with a little hat. You can see just a little bit up here. That front isn't staring at me so much, so I think that it works. Pull the hair to the front and kind of wear it like that. So I like it. I like it with the hat. Underneath didn't get too tangled, but you guys know over time you're going to get mangling and tangling and everything else with these wigs. Okay, it's not lifetime wigs. They are synthetic wigs. made for us to wear for a certain length of time. They got a lifespan on them, okay? But this one here is really cute. So thanks again to Sam's Beauty for collabing with me today. They always pour into the channel. I appreciate you guys pulling up on a sister. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you waiting on? Go ahead on and hit the subscription button, hit the bell, hit all, and you will be notified every single time that I upload. I hope you guys are enjoying Slayma's returning subscribers and my YouTube babes. What's up? Hey girl, hey, how you guys doing? You know it, you got the MVPs over here on the channel. If you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, you know the deal. Don't forget to tag me in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautiebymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye. Ooh, it's cute, it's cute.